Hi YouTube, hi friends. Let me move this is my paint, it's for paintbrush, but I use this for my glue. For my glue brushes to save my brushes. So once I'm using glue, once I'm done, I'll dip it in to clean them as I go, and then I'll have a piece of paper towel to wipe off the excess. But let me move that out of my shot. Sorry, I'm actually making spreads right now. But I wanted to share with you guys. Hi YouTube, hi my friends. I think I said that already, but either way, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, welcome. If you are returning, thank you. And I am Nikoyan Paper Play. Nikoyan is my actual name, and I just went with the running off of Paper Play. Okay, and so I'm sitting here making a couple spreads because I have a couple things going on, and I wanted to just run a couple spreads to get those posted over on TikTok. And on the TikTok, if you haven't followed me on TikTok, my name is the same as here, Nikoyan Paper Play. So yeah, I'm just doing a couple spreads, but in the meantime, I was actually utilizing this Travel and Leisure magazine, and I wanted to show you guys that. So basically, I'm going through the magazine, I'm cutting out all the prints that I like, and the ones that I want to save, like these over here, I'm cutting them down, and I'm gonna save these and put them away in my little pouch right here that I got off of Temu. And it's what it looks like inside. I have some others in here, but I do have other pictures and stuff in here that I'll save my prints in. So what I'll do is I'll go through, and let's go to a page that of something that I'm actually gonna save. Okay, so we already know Christmas is coming back, winter is coming back. So let's see the back of. Okay guys, I had to stop and come back, so we're back. Oh, I think I'm back again because my phone keeps telling me I'm running out of space, and I keep deleting stuff, and it keeps telling me I'm running out of space because they want me to buy more space. But anyways, so as I was saying before, I'm gonna cut this mousse out and save this for one of my holiday spreads. It's gonna go in that, and come holiday time, winter time, Christmas time, I am going to have it to use in one of those spreads. So that's what I'm gonna do, is go through. So I'll save those, and I'll keep going through the magazine and find pictures that I like say this one right here. See this one? And that's what I'll keep doing. And then once I'm done, I'll organize them. I think I like this one as well. I think I'm gonna save this one. But you know what, while I'm doing this, I'm gonna pause you guys. I'm gonna come back. I'm gonna actually cut out all I need, and then we'll come back and we'll actually finish this spread together. So while obviously this video is gonna go smooth, you guys, but right now, while I'm taking my pause, you guys could go ahead, like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel, and we'll continue in a second.
We are in our vegetable garden, picking my
Okay, so I'm still here cutting out in the magazine. You know, I never made a World Cup spread. I never made a World Cup spread. I guess maybe I could use that to make the World Cup spread if I make one. I wasn't too happy with this World Cup, so definitely this picture. Definitely that picture. Can't go wrong with that one. That one's pretty. I know a lot of people use like magazines to collage. I've just not collaged. Okay, let's put some in the spread here, guys. Let's put some stuff in the spread. This could go right here. Can you guys see that? Hold up, wait. No, you guys can't see that. Oops, I need to fix my camera. Uh-oh. Okay, you guys can see that now. So we'll put that one right there. I'll put a glue on. Excuse me. I just realized I don't have my mic on. And one of my kids just started playing music, so I need to put my mic on to drown that out. Let's see. Oh, mic's not on because my phone's charging. I swear to you, my phone just wants to be acting up today. Okay, so we're back again, guys. I'm going to show you the ones that I cut out, and then I'll also show you guys the spread that I made. So when you're in the magazine, obviously, you know, you have the idea, you have the concept, but once you cut them out, you get to see better what they look like. You can use these as page fillers. You can use them as you're going to see that I use all the clippings from the magazine except my hair dye box. I use all of those to make the spread. And I think I'm actually going to make another spread from the magazine when I'm finished with this one. So all the pictures, this one I'm going to save for the fall. I'm going to obviously shape it up better. Maybe I'll do a fancy cut around them. You know, that was it for that. So let me go ahead and share my spread with you guys. So this is the spread. So first, obviously I was going to do a full-on junk journal spread, so that's why I had put this one in the middle. But I think aside from the naming on the label, it works in my personal opinion. Oh, I just realized something, guys. I'm missing a little section right here. I gotta find some words or something to put right here to complete this spread. Hold on. But yeah, this is my spread from the magazine. Obviously, you see this, everything came from the magazine. Hold on, let me go find some words to cut out from that magazine and add to. I just realized right here is empty, right here is empty, and right here is empty. We'll be back. Okay, so I have my 3 wording that I'm gonna fit in. Let's see if this fits here. That will do. Surf and sand, that will do. Oops. And there we go. There we go, guys. My spread is complete. Let's take a close look. And that's that.